Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and it covers the DXY. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So I started off on the daily today. The US dollar index is actually posting up very hard since market open. Now, there's a couple different options right here. Either this move up right here is a crescent to this move down right here, which means it would probably go to one of these three fib levels and end up continuing the downtrend, which is still kind of what I'm sticking to. But if this is like really a wave one, wave two, this is a wave three, this is a wave four, and this is a wave five of one, then that means we're in a wave two right now. If this is a wave two, then this is actually going to be a much, much bigger crutch and probably end up looking something like this because an ABC of two normally does take up the high of wave four. So just keep in mind, we possibly could be in a little bit of a bigger move to the upside than most people may be expecting. Now, taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, the areas I'm really paying attention to as of right now is the 50, 61%. But as of right now, I definitely would be looking for longs on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would be doing nothing but looking for longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long at the end of a 1 hour candle that looks like that. I would definitely only be going long on pullbacks, like little one, two, three pullbacks like that. So, like I said, I think it needs to go up to the 50, maybe 60, maybe even 78%, depending on what it is. I think we will definitely be able to recognize when this correction is over. So, until we recognize that this correction is over, I personally will be doing nothing but looking for longs on the dollar pairs via the dollar pairs themselves. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.